Provident Fund Organization. This letter issued by EPFO office. So it is from Regional Office, Kottayam, to Srimati Suresh P. Srimati Suresh P. Surabhi Club Road, Vellore Kunnam, Muvattupuja, Ernakulam 686673. Subject: revision of pension under the Employees Pension Scheme 1995. An actual wages salary exceeding the statutory wage in terms of Honorable High Court of Kerala judgment in writ petition C number 33627 by 2016 recording. Reference: application and other documents received in respect of Srimati Suresh P. KR by KTM of 10290 by 1920 and PPO number KR by KTM of 31470. Number 2 reference: content of court case number 2098 by 2019 filed by writ petition C number 33627 by 2016. Sir, in order to make you eligible for pension on actual salary as per the terms of the judgment of Honorable High Court of Kerala in WPC number 33627 by 2016, contribution under the Employees Pension Scheme 1995 is to be remitted on your full wage by salary from 16/11/1995 or the date on which your wages salary crossed the statutory wage ceiling. As per the annual returns Form 3A exempted submitted by your employer, the amount payable by you from 16/11/1995 to the date of leaving service with up to date interest is calculated after adjusting the contributions already made under the Employees Pension Scheme 1995. You are therefore requested to remit any of the following amount by way of demand draft payable at Kottayam in favor of Regional Provident Fund Commissioner, Kottayam. The amount to be remitted on or before 31/3/2020 is rupees 12,17,033 rupees. The amount to be remitted on or before 34/2020 is rupees 12,25,805 rupees. The amount to be remitted on or before 31/5/2020 is rupees 12,34,578 rupees. In case of the amount is remitted after 31/5/2020, further interest 8.65% per annum is requested to be remitted. Please note that the Employees Provident Fund Organization has filed a review petition number 1431 of 2019 and the Union of India has filed a special review petition number 16721, 16722 of 2019 before the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the matter and the higher pension that may be payable to you in subject to the outcome of the said review petition and special review petition. Yours faithfully, Sandeep Biswas, Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. The amount calculated is subject to post audit, and if any excess wrong payment is made on account of any error in calculation or defect in the details of wages furnished, the same will be recovered, adjusted.